Hey everyone, it's me. I have this is a good inside news. Good news. Since the typhoon in the Philippines is coming, I need to stop YouTube for a few months, I guess, and stop posting for a while. But I might come back. Just pray first in the Philippines, because typhoon is here getting really bad. Like right now, it's raining super hard. So to all the Filipino there watching and other country, please pray for us even if you're also in a bad weather. We are praying for everyone for their need and safety. So this is for my own good and your guys' own good. But I don't know. You may not miss me. You might get angry. Over this past few years, I've been getting a lot hate, but it's okay for me though. Yeah, I'm getting used to it. So either you get angry to me, or happy, or be sad, or doesn't matter to me. I can deal with it. So goodbye. See you in a few months, or I don't know. So bye.